In August 1945, America dropped two atomic bombs in Japan. It's estimated over 118,000 people died on impact in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The survivors and their families still struggle with the effects of the bombs.
Even now, quite difficult to talk about it.
Kyoko Gibson was born in Hiroshima 3 years after the bomb exploded. Today, she lives in Wales, having married a British man. For the first time, she's opening up to her daughter and granddaughter about what happened 80 years ago.
I was a physically weak child. I had a stroke, I had a tumor, and recently I had two breast cancer operation.
Kyoko also remembers a stigma growing up around being from Hiroshima.
A lot of people, they don't tell they are from Hiroshima or they moved away. Like my father, he left us when I was 7 years old, and I never see him. I think he didn't want to deal life he had in Hiroshima.
Violet and I, we went to Japan 2 years ago, and we spent some time in Hiroshima as well. So it was a great opportunity, but it was quite scary.
Today, there are around 12,000 nuclear weapons worldwide. Deterrence, the fear of a devastating retaliatory attack, is a major reason they exist.
You need to see like the impact it's had on people and just not bring that kind of pain again. Because with technology getting better, it's just going to be worse next time if it happens again.